Opening electric breaker. Now see inside the breaker. Now I will separate components of breaker. Current flows into the breaker from the first terminal. Then current flows through the coil. And finally, current flows out through second terminal. This cylinder becomes electromagnet as current flows through the coil. The larger the current, the stronger the electromagnet will be. When cylinder becomes strong electromagnet due to large current or short circuit, it cuts off the connection by attracting the metal piece attached with second terminal. Reassembled the breaker. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.